Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Asus ROG Phone 6 Pro, and let me share with you how to show battery percentage on the status bar in this device. So if you'd like to check and have the battery percentage on the status bar just like I have, then all you have to do is to simply enter the settings. Now let's scroll in order to find the battery, and here we have to enter the visual settings. As you can see, they will be at the very bottom of this first section. So let's enter and now tap on battery display styles. And as you can see right here, we've got three different options. Currently I've got the icon and the percentage. We can set percentage only, and as you can see, only the percentage will be visible. The icon is hidden. Or we can pick icon only, and of course the percentage will not be visible. So it's of course up to you. I will stick with the third option. So basically that's all. This is how to show battery percentage on the status bar in your Asus ROG Phone 6 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.